need scissors, pencil, cookies, yellow paper, and a teacup to draw shapes. First, take the teacup and draw a circle with a pencil. Cut out the shape. Take the circle, fold it in half, then cut through the crease. Do the same with more circles and make as many emojis as you want. Take one half of the emoji and draw heart shapes on them. Color them in a red cookie. Take the other half of the emoji and draw a big smile on it. Now you have an emoji that is happy. Make different faces with the rest of the emojis. Some will be sad, some will be happy, some will cry. You can play with them by swapping them around like this so you can get different types of emotions.